Hello, today in this dream interpretation session, I am going to talk about the meaning of different species of birds in dreams. To dream of seeing a blue jay indicates that you are too overconfident and arrogant in a current situation in which you overlooked important details that may surprise you. To see a sparrow in your dreams represents your pride. You may be taking possible relationships for granted, underestimating their importance in your life. You prefer to be alone at this moment, but feel lonely. If you dream of sparrows, you will soon be surrounded by love and comfort. You are a good-hearted listener, and this will gain you friends. To dream of seeing sparrows, wounded foretells of sadness. To dream of a raven means that you will soon suffer a reversal of fortune. For a young woman to dream this is about her intuition warning her that her lover will betray her. To see a raven in your dreams represents an enemy that is taking advantage of your misfortune. A raven in your dreams suggests betrayal, disharmony, misfortune, and the death of something, or the end of a cycle. Thank you for watching. Till then.